Hello friends, in this video we will discuss the differences between 33 grade cement, 43 grade cement and 53 grade cements. So let's start. Ordinary Portland cement has a 3 grades, that is 33 grade, 43 grade and 53 grade. As per Bureau of Indian Standards, these grades are differentiated by their compressive strengths, and these strengths are expressed in megapascals, that is Newton per mm square. Compressive strength is the ratio of load per unit area. The load is calculated in Newton and the area is calculated in mm square. IS codes. For 33 grade cement, IS 269 is used, whereas for 43 grade cement, IS 8112 is used, and for 53 grade cement, IS 12269 is used. You can refer the latest revisions of these IS codes from Google. Compressive strength. For calculating compressive strength, cement, sand and water are mixed together, vibrated, cured, and cubes are made. These cubes are tested in laboratory at 27 degrees Celsius after 3 days, 7 days and 28 days. Cement grade indicates the compression strength of cement concrete after 28 days of setting. 3 days strength. In 72 hours, that is in 3 days, 33 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 16 Newton per mm square, whereas 43 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 23 Newton per mm square, and 53 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 27 Newton per mm square. 7 days strength. In 168 hours, that is in 7 days, 33 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 22 Newton per mm square, whereas 43 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 33 Newton per mm square, and 53 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 37 Newton per mm square. 28 days strength. In 672 hours, that is in 28 days, 33 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 33 Newton per mm square, whereas 43 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 43 Newton per mm square, and 53 grade cement achieves a compressive strength of 53 Newton per mm square. Initial strength. Here you can see initial strength of 53 grade cement is higher than 33 and 43 grade cement. Here I want to tell you some facts. The strength of 53 grade cement does not increase much after 28 day because of early strength gain, while 33 and 43 grade cement continues to gain strength after 28 day. With time, 33 and 43 grade cements will attain the same ultimate strength as that of 53 grade cement. Heat of hydration. During initial setting, 53 grade cement releases heat of hydration at much faster rate as compared to 33 and 43 grade cement. Therefore, the chances of microcracking are much greater. These microcracks may not be visible on the surface. Many times at site, supervisors or masons increase the quantity of cement in the mix. They think that this will increase the strength and durability of concrete. But on the contrary, it creates microcracks in the concrete. Hence, 53 grade cement should be used only where such application is warranted for making the concrete of higher strength, where good supervision and quality assurance measures are in place, and where proper precautions are taken to relieve the higher heat of hydration through a proper curing process. Price. I couldn't get the price of 33 grade cement in my area as most of the manufacturers are using PPC here. But I can definitely say the price of 33 grade cement is cheaper than 43 grade cement. The price of ACC 43 grade cement in my area is 305 rupees per 50 kg bag, and for same grade the price of Ultratech cement is 325 rupees per 50 kg bag, whereas the price of ACC 53 grade cement is 365 rupees per 50 kg bag, and for same grade Ultratech is 395 rupees per 50 kg bag. In concrete mix design, for concrete M20 and above grades, a saving of 8 to 10% of cement may be achieved with the use of 53 grade OPC. Uses. Nowadays, 33 grade cement is rarely used as most of the manufacturers have shifted to PPC, which is Portland Pozzolana cement. 33 grade cement is commonly used for making concretes having low strength such as below M20 grade concrete. 43 grade cement is used in PCC and RCC works, preferably where the grade of concrete is up to M30. Also, it is recommended for plastering, tiling, brick and stone masonry works, flooring, pathways, etc., where initial days strength is not of prime importance. It is also used in the finishing of all types of buildings, bridges, culverts, roads, water retaining structures, etc. 53 grade OPC cement is recommended in all RCC structures like footing, column, beam and slabs, wherever initial and ultimate strength is the major structural requirement. It can also be used for RCC works where grade of concrete is M30 and above, high-rise buildings, industrial works, precast concrete items such as paving blocks, tiles, building blocks, pipes, railway sleepers, poles, etc. Pre-stressed concrete works like bridges, silos, etc. Runways, concrete roads, cold weather concreting, cement grouts, instant plugging, etc. Every grade of cement is suitable for different set of tasks, as each of them have varying levels of strength. Using the wrong strength levels for a particular job can affect your overall structural design. So friends, I hope now you have clearly understood the differences between 33, 43 and 53 grade cements.